Apple's next big iPhone launch is getting closer, and while the iPhone 18 Pro Max is expected to arrive with some of the biggest upgrades we've seen in years, a surprising twist behind the scenes could steal the spotlight from Apple's flagship device. According to the latest reports, Apple is preparing to unveil the iPhone 18 Pro Max during its annual September event, which is expected to take place on September 9, 2026. If Apple sticks to its usual schedule, pre-orders would likely open on September 11, with the phone officially reaching customers on September 18. That timeline isn't surprising. Apple has followed a similar launch strategy for years, announcing new iPhones in September and putting them on sale shortly afterward. But this year may be different because another highly anticipated Apple product could be waiting in the wings. For years, rumors have suggested that Apple has been developing its first foldable iPhone. Now, reports indicate that the project is getting closer to reality. The device is rumored to launch under the name iPhone Fold, although some insiders believe Apple could market it as the iPhone Ultra instead. The interesting part is that Apple may not be able to launch both devices at the same time. While the iPhone 18 Pro Max appears ready for production, Apple's foldable phone could face manufacturing challenges that slow things down. Industry reports suggest Apple might announce the foldable device during the September event but delay its release until later. If that sounds familiar, it's because Apple has done something similar before. Back in 2017, the company introduced the iPhone X alongside other models but delayed its availability due to production limitations. History could repeat itself once again. Even without the foldable device, the iPhone 18 Pro Max is shaping up to be a major upgrade. One of the biggest improvements could be the display. Rumors point to a huge 6.9-inch screen, making it one of the largest displays ever featured on an iPhone. Whether you're streaming videos, gaming, editing content, browsing social media, or simply multitasking, the larger screen could make everyday use feel much more immersive. Battery life is another area where Apple may finally deliver a significant leap forward. Reports suggest the iPhone 18 Pro Max could feature a battery capacity of around 5,200 mAh. If that information turns out to be accurate, it would rank among the largest batteries ever used in an iPhone. For users who constantly rely on their phones throughout the day, that could translate into noticeably longer usage times and fewer trips to the charger. Apple is also rumored to be refining one of its most recognizable design features, the Dynamic Island. Since its introduction, the Dynamic Island has become a core part of the iPhone experience. However, reports indicate that Apple is working on making it smaller than before. A reduced Dynamic Island would free up more screen space while giving the front of the phone a cleaner and more modern appearance. The camera system could see some of the most exciting upgrades. One feature generating a lot of attention is a rumored variable aperture camera system. Unlike traditional smartphone cameras, a variable aperture can adjust the amount of light entering the lens depending on the environment. In practical terms, that means brighter and sharper photos in low-light situations while also giving users more control over depth of field effects and background blur. It's the type of technology commonly associated with professional cameras, and bringing it to the iPhone could significantly improve mobile photography. But while the iPhone 18 Pro Max is impressive on its own, many tech enthusiasts are still focused on Apple's foldable ambitions. Reports suggest the foldable iPhone could be powered by Apple's next-generation A20 Pro chip, built using an advanced 2-nanometer manufacturing process. That would potentially deliver major performance gains while improving energy efficiency at the same time. The device is also rumored to include 12 GB of RAM, which could make multitasking smoother and help handle demanding applications more efficiently. Perhaps the most exciting rumor of all involves the display itself. One of the biggest criticisms of today's foldable smartphones is the visible crease that runs through the center of the screen. Apple reportedly wants to eliminate or dramatically reduce that crease before bringing its foldable phone to market. If the company succeeds, it could create one of the most polished foldable smartphone experiences available and give Apple a strong advantage in an increasingly competitive category. The challenge, however, is turning that vision into reality. Building a foldable smartphone at Apple's scale is far more complicated than producing a traditional iPhone. The company must ensure long-term durability, maintain premium build quality, perfect the folding mechanism, and manufacture millions of units without compromising reliability. Those challenges may ultimately be responsible for delaying the foldable iPhone's release. Apple has always prioritized delivering refined products rather than rushing unfinished technology to market. The company is known for taking extra time when necessary to ensure a product meets its standards before customers get their hands on it. Because of that philosophy, the iPhone 18 Pro Max is expected to remain the star of Apple's September event. With its massive display, larger battery, improved camera technology, and a redesigned dynamic island, the device already looks capable of becoming one of the most popular smartphones of 2026. As for Apple's foldable iPhone, it may still be coming, but customers could have to wait a little longer before it finally reaches store shelves. One thing is certain: Apple's upcoming September event is shaping up to be one of the most exciting product launches the company has held in years. Whether the focus stays on the iPhone 18 Pro Max or shifts toward Apple's first foldable phone, major changes appear to be on the horizon for the future of the iPhone. What are your thoughts on the rumored iPhone 18 Pro Max upgrades? Do they seem exciting enough, or are you more interested in seeing Apple's first foldable iPhone? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, and stay tuned for more tech news, smartphone updates, and the latest Apple coverage right here on the channel.